Okay, so this little bad boy just got delivered at my house, and yeah, I decided to upgrade. I'm currently on the iPhone 7, so I am a little bit behind, so I guess it was time to upgrade. If I'd have been on the 10 from last year, I wouldn't have upgraded to this because there isn't much of a difference, but obviously from the 7 to this is a big difference. So let's crack it open. This is a space grey 256 gig from 3. We actually had a fairly decent offer on a unlimited all you can eat everything, so all you can eat data, all you can eat minutes and texts, go binge and use abroad and all that stuff, and it worked out £64 a month for 24 months. So I didn't think that was bad at all, because other than that I was going to go on the Apple upgrade program, but I decided to go with that. So here we go. The usual, it's the same script every time you get an Apple, isn't it? You've got the same stuff in here you always get. I'll actually have to have a little read of this because it's got different stuff. There's no fingerprint, there's certain things, isn't there, that are different from the other ones, so I'll probably have to have a little ganders at that. The stickers that no one uses. So that's all that, and here it is. The Earpods. Thought for a minute that it was the wireless ones, but don't be silly. You have to pay stupid money for them. Yeah, I'll probably never use those. I've pretty much got every set of earphones from Apple devices that I've bought just tucked away or resold with the device, so that's all standard stuff. But there we go. So let's have a look at this. Looks very nice indeed. That's got the twin camera there. Looks very, very nice. So I'll take the stuff off of here. Have to get myself a new screen protector and a new case. It looks good. See if it's got any juice. Do you turn it on with this? I don't know now with this new one. There we go. Feels about the same size. I'm not sure of the actual dimensions, but it feels about the same size as the 7. It's probably slightly bigger. In fact, let me just test it. It's a tiny bit bigger than the 7. First thing I'm noticing, obviously, is the screen is fantastic. And I know everyone out there who doesn't like Apples is going to say, well, you can get better screens on Android, and you probably can. But the problem is, once you're with Apple, it's very hard to change because everything's integrated, or you get all your apps that you've paid hundreds of pounds for over the years. You've got your Apple Music, and it's just very hard to change. I think if I needed to, I would, but there probably are better Android phones, but this looks pretty good to me, even if it is absolutely extortionate in cost. So here we are. I've just done a restore from backup from the iCloud from my last iPhone 7 backup. It took about 5 minutes for it to start loading everything up, but now obviously it's going through the routine of installing everything that was on my other iPhone. So that's pretty much it. My first impression obviously is it looks very, very nice indeed, but so it should do because it costs a lot of money. I'm not about to start reviewing it. That's not what this video is for. It was just a quick unboxing just to show you what it looks like out of its box. But everything's gone smoothly. Delivery came bang on time, literally to the minute that I got the text, which was good. And yeah, it's all good. And as you can see, everything's slowly installing. That'll probably take a little while for me to catch up on everything there. The only thing left to do is to stick my SIM card in it, and then I'm off and running. So that's it. iPhone XS, 256 gig, space grey, delivered today, and is now up and running.